Hi everyone, this is Jasmine. Today I want to show you 3 wheels electric scooter. Okay, let's look around so you can see the details and all of its beauty. Alright guys, there are lots of awesome design features to share with you this week, but it is made of magnesium alloy. The whole week weighs only 18 kilograms and its max load is 100 kilograms. The biggest design highlight is the double wheel linkage design, and that's the biggest difference with the others. The vehicle patented rear 2-wheel sling steering system designed for improved riding comfort, better steering, and the shock absorption of the scooter. And the rear 2 wheels are 8-inch tubeless tires, and the front wheel is 9-inch tubeless tire. There is a special design of the optional removable seat of this scooter. The seats have high-quality spring to reduce the impact of vibration and shock. The seat post is adjustable, suits for different people. Very practical. This vehicle also could be quickly folded and occupied very little space, like this. And then you can carry the scooter by pulling this handle. That's very convenient. Underneath the pedal is a battery compartment. Here is the charging port. This electric scooter uses Lithium battery with an LG 48 voltage battery. The top speed is 25 km per hour, and the charging time is about 4 to 5 hours. Okay, let's go for the motor. The motor on this scooter is 48 voltage, 350 watts brushless motor, so it accelerates faster than normal scooter. Here's the brake system of the vehicle. Rear brake is a double hydraulic disc brake, and the front is the electronic brake. Okay, there are some common parts at the handlebars, like dashboard, power switch button, headlight button. And here is a USB charging port for mobile phone charging. Okay, well, let's have a try. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.